Greetings, fellow couponers and shoppers. This is Monday, April 23rd, and this is a very small Walgreens run I did. As everybody probably knows by now, the all detergents on sale for $1.99. There are loads of coupons out there. I got mine. I printed mine off of redplum.com. There's a $2 off any one single dose product. There's also $1 off of any all product, I believe is what it is. There's also some on coupons.com. There's also some $1.50 off of two. And there's even some, if you go on the Walgreens website, there's even some, although I didn't have any all coupons. Supposedly there's $1.50 off of two on there. But anyway, I only bought one of the Mighty Packs, and my cashier would not allow me to use the $2 off of one because $2 is more than $1.99, and she wouldn't put it through, so she let me use the $1 one. Now the neat thing about this is, and shout out to Michelle's Frugal Living for pointing this out yesterday, that on SavingStar there is both a $1 off of any all product cashback and a $2 off of the single dose product. Well, this item here will qualify you for both cashbacks, so you'll get the $2 one and the $1. You'll get $3 in cash back. So I only paid $1 for this, and I'm going to get 99 cents after the $1 coupon, and I'm going to get $3 back in SavingStar, which makes it a $2.01 moneymaker. Now, if you have a kind enough cashier that will allow you to use this, you'll get $3 and a penny cash back. Now, on to the Kleenex wipes. These are the 20 count. These are on sale again for 2 for $3. Now there are two cashbacks, or were two cashbacks. When I checked last night, there was a checkout 51, $2 off of two. And Ibotta also has $1 off of two. So you're essentially going to get them for free because you're going to get $3 in cashbacks, and you're going to just pay $3 for them. When I got home from the store just a few minutes ago, I checked. I was going to submit this on checkout 51, and it's already gone. It was there last night, but it's not there today. So I'm only going to get, I'm paying $3 for these, and I'm going to get $1 Ibotta. And it makes them $1 a piece, which is not a great deal because these are only 20 count. Now, had that, we can get the Pampers and the whatever, the Huggies for 42 count ones, and the Cottonelles 42 count ones for 50 cents for free a lot of times. So not the best deal in the world, but I did need another Ibotta rebate. I was starting out today. I don't remember, it was either I needed 5 or 6 more to reach level 3. Now I should have got out yesterday, and I could have done that whatever that bonus that was going on that expired this morning. I'm not going to get that one, but I did reach level 3 after this. I went to Kroger, and I'll do that video next. But yesterday it was raining, pouring down, raining, storming, hail, all that good stuff. I just did not feel like getting out into that. And so I didn't quite get the rebates and bonuses that I wanted, but that's okay. There's always next month. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.